Hi, I'm Sylvia Ginyaga. I'm a game designer and CEO of our studio, Animo Games. I'm really excited to play through our demo of Star Stuff. As I play, I'll highlight how our game puts into action some of G's 13 principles of good learning games. So this is Star Stuff. You are Miha, a stellar systems engineer about to embark on their first day on the job. You've landed in the spaceport of Popoca Star Factory, located in the Cosmos Aztec 1 galaxy. When it comes to G's principle of agency, I'd like to highlight how the story works in parallel with our gameplay to send the same message. Your actions matter. Miha's story is about shedding their lack of confidence and learning how you don't magically get good at something new. The concept of agency is core to Star Stuff's level design. In our puzzles, players experiment with code and real-time movement, learning through trial and error. We deviate from the norm in automation games by emphasizing that the player is an essential part of the puzzle-solving process. You work alongside your bots that you program, and you co-design solutions, making your actions in puzzles really, really meaningful. You're taking big problems one step at a time in Star Stuff, and on the way realizing how important your actions really are. When we start to talk about the fish tank learning through experimentation principle, a few things come to mind. So one is the beginning of our game. So, the beginning of the tutorial. We strip down the game to a few variables at first to ensure that the player understands the basics. So you're going to code bots, you're going to run your program, and then you, Miha, will run yourself. As the game progresses, we add more and more variables in slowly so that the player is eased into the complexity, and they start to trust us. It's a journey about how magic lies in learning and practicing. Our puzzles aim to be pleasantly frustrating, where frustration doesn't stress you because you'll know you'll reach a solution. The low line limit in our design eases the process, and as you understand the mechanics and level designers' thinking, your confidence grows. In Star Stuff, each hub introduces a new mechanic, and the game has 5 zones with 3 hubs, so there's plenty of new mechanics to discover. So in our levels, we never penalize you for making mistakes. It should feel good to try new things and mess up again and again. I sometimes call our game a cosmic playground because we want you to interact with everything because it's satisfying, from the sound design to the animation and the function of the actual object.